Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, Chemical Disaster Prevention Day observed at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. Karmavir Award function held at Coal Rolling Mill Department of SAIL RSP. And in our Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav series, today's personality is Fathurananda. And now the news in detail. A program was organized at Coal Chemicals Department CCD of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP on 4th December to mark Chemical Disaster Prevention Day. Mr. I. Rajan, CGM in charge CO and CC, chaired the program. Mr. B.K. Tiwari, GM in charge CCD, Mr. S.K. Ghosh, GM CCD Operation, and other senior officers of Cocovents, CO and CCD were present on the occasion. The program was attended by executives, employees and contract labour from CO, CCD and Safety Engineering Department SED. Chemical Safety Pledge in Odia, Hindi and English was administered to all those present on the occasion. In his address, Mr. Rajan elaborated on different types of hazards of CO and CC areas and necessary steps to follow to prevent any chemical disaster. Mr. Tiwari spoke on the importance of SOPs in the safe handling of chemicals, while Mr. Ghosh urged the collective to maintain the safety standards to avoid any kind of accident. Mr. M.K. Panigrahi, DSO and Senior Manager CCD Operation, coordinated the program with the support of Mr. Ravi Panigrahi, ASO SED. It is noteworthy that Coal Chemicals Department of RSP handles a wide variety of chemicals including hazardous gases, acids and alkalis. Reaffirming the commitment of the plant to occupational safety and health, the department has been adopting a standard procedure for the safe and effective management of all products. The integrated strategy for prevention of chemical incidents include hazard identification and risk assessment, maintaining facilities as per engineering practices and statutory guidelines, following safe practices during handling of chemicals, emergency preparedness, training and awareness of workmen and other stakeholders. The department has been maintaining a vast network of more than 5 kilometers of fuel gas pipeline through structured scheduled inspections, thickness testing and replacement of thin lines. The department has replaced about 2,000-meter pipelines in the last 1 year alone. Besides, inspection of chemical storage tanks is being carried out and maintenance activities are planned as per requirement. Pumping facilities are maintained for safe handling of chemical. Adherence to SOPs is being ensured and the employees are being trained on SOPs and SMPs. Mock drills are being conducted to assess the preparedness for emergency situations, which are also reviewed and necessary actions are taken to improve effectiveness. The department is maintaining occupational health and safety management system as per standard and is certified with ISO 45001. A Karamveer Award function was held at Coal Rolling Mill Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 2nd December 2021. Mr. N.R. Das, GM in charge CRM, presided over the function and handed over the award to Mr. Suresh Chandra Mahanta, Senior Operator CRM Crane. Present on the occasion were other senior officers and staff of the department. Mr. Mahanta was awarded for his dedication and organizing skills. The program was coordinated by Mr. P.K. Sarkar, Assistant Manager Personnel. As a part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebrations, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant is presenting a series of news on the eminent personalities of Odisha, some well known and some lesser known. Today's personality is Fathurananda. Born on 1st June 1915 at Jhanjiri, Mangala, Cuttack City, Ramchandra Mishra, well known by his pen name Fathurananda, is an Odia, humorous and satirical writer. His early life was spent in struggling, which is the core part of his autobiography, Moputa Dongoro Kahani. Some of his popular writing include Nakata Chitrakar 1953 and Sahi Mahabharat. His satirical writings in Odia were based on political reality and prevailing duplicity in the systems. He is well known for his distinctly unique and original style of writing. He uses simple and colloquial language with a natural flow. Burning issues of the present-day society constitute the central theme of his writings. He is the founder of Sarasa Sahitya Samiti and had established Kantakabi Award in the name of Kantakabi Lakshmi Kanta Mahapatra. He had been conferred with many awards and recognitions, including Odisha Sahitya Academy Award in 1982. Hirisa, Bidushaka, Amruta Behiya, Sahitya Bachabachi, Odisara Spin Bowler, Other Stories, Nakata Chitrakar, a novel, Nilakantha Kabi, a poetry, Ajagabi Shikara, children literature, are his contributions to Odia literature. He left his mortal earth on 6th November 1995. And that's all for now. Namaskar.